Our cutie classmates and then a brighter and intelligent.
Yes.
But take your face.
Yes, my face. My face.
Hello.
Kelvin. Cherilyn. Cherilyn. Nolan. Hello.
Seryo.
Seryo. Seryo. There.
Hello. I am the owner of this. Sarmo. Okay. That is our rest house. Like rest CR. Oh, that's Seryo. Oh. See? Oh, ay ano.
Ano na diglet? I'm the Miss Earth. Miss Earth.
That's Calvin, the master of all.
The master of all boys. Wow, check the Tell.
The tenth of that three little stooges.
Yes.
Okay.